Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Both iPhone and iPad on the latest OS and signed into the same Apple ID. This authenticates Shareplay and AirPlay. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and enable handoff. Once done, open the app or media on your iPhone you want to share. You will initiate Shareplay from the app's Share or FaceTime controls. This begins the connection sequence. Make sure both screens are unlocked and nearby so discovery works reliably. Now you initiate the live connection. Open FaceTime or the supported app on your iPhone and start the call or session. Tap Shareplay or Screen Share, then choose your iPad from the presented device list. The system uses AirPlay/Shareplay handoff to route media. On the iPad, accept the incoming Shareplay request. You may need to permit screen or media access. This ensures synchronized playback and remote control. Once accepted, playback or screen content finish by confirming controls work. You can play, pause, and scrub from either device, and participants keep synced views. This is why same Apple ID and good connectivity matter. If audio stutters or video lags, stop Shareplay, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then restart the app. This often clears routing glitches. If problems persist, sign out and back into Apple ID or reboot both devices, and make sure both devices run the latest OS to restore full Shareplay functionality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.